Hello guys. Hello to all of you. Now guys, the engine is start. But I check the dashboard, the normal reading of the all the specification of this engine. Before they have a warning, fault code SPN 157, then code 559. But now I check the RPM and the pressure, fuel pressure. That's a normal. Oil temperature normal, and the other one is charge alarm. In this speed 804 normal. Vehicle speed, transfer oil, voltage 28 good, fluid, okay, speed, then the engine, no fault, now is no fault, good. Okay guys, the problem is solved. The problem is in the fuel pressure is low. That's the indicate before. But now you see. Thank you guys. Bye bye guys.